Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another attempt of me trying to be a beauty guru. So clearly I'm not a beauty guru. I don't wear makeup a lot, but I do enjoy doing it. So today I thought I would do a summer glam everyday kind of look. I know like the Dewy and the Glowy summer glam is a big thing going around on YouTube, and it has been. I always love looking at people's different makeup looks for summer and how that just looks so natural and beautiful. So I thought I'd try to recreate that summer glowy dewy look, but in my own way. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So I actually went to Target and I got a couple of foundations. I also got the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation, and this does have a dewy finish. If this is too dark for me, I apologize. I just couldn't get my shade right. I'm also not tan enough yet. If you can't tell, that is not gonna match. So we're gonna try it, and if it doesn't work, it's not the foundation, it's my skin. So I'm going to take that L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow foundation, and I just put a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take my beauty blender and put it on my face, and I'm just going to put on the foundation. I forgot to put up my hair, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to use a little bit more because I did not use enough. I'm going to bring it down my neck because it looks extremely uneven from my actual skin tone. So there is the foundation all applied. It looks very good to me. I don't know what else to say about it. Okay, so the next step is I'm just going to take a little tiny touch of concealer, and I'm going to put that right underneath my eyes and in the places that I want to highlight. Okay, so then after I have done that, I am going to next take my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder and just kind of lightly apply that everywhere using a big fluffy brush. Okay, so after I have applied my setting powder, next I am going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour palette and contour. So I have the Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to take my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH02 brush, and I use one side of it for bronzing and one side of it for blush. So I'm going to take the side I use for bronzing, and I'm going to dip in this middle shade right here. And I'm going to contour. Okay, so once I'm done with contour, next I'm going to be moving on to blush. This is kind of essential to achieving that summer look, is the blush. So for blush, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder All Over Shimmer palette thing. This is kind of a very sun-kissed looking color, and it does have shimmer in it, so that way we definitely are achieving that glowy look as well. So I'm going to go back in with that same brush, and I'm going to flip it to the blush side, and I'm going to dip into that. And then I'm also going to take some of this blush and I'm going to go on my nose, just so it looks like I've been sitting out in the sun and I have that nice sun-kissed look. So next we're going to move on to eyes, and for this look we're not going to do anything too intense with the eyes because we do want to look natural and we do want to look like we're not really wearing a lot of makeup. We want to look very dewy and glowy and like we just got back from the beach. Okay, so first I'm going to take this bigger fluffy kind of brush. I'm going to be using the Morphe 15B Brunch Babe palette, and I'm going to dip into this shade right here, Tots. And that is just going to be our base shade that covers our whole eyelid. Okay, because we don't want to do a lot with the eyes, we're just going to use a little bit of a warmer shade to kind of really make sure that we have some depth in there. So next I'm going to take this shade up here, Beignets, and I am just going to dip into it slightly and go right into the outer crease. So then after we have applied that, next I'm just going to dip into this shade right here called Bottomless Mimosas, and I'm just going to dip into it with my finger and apply it on the lid. So then after I'm done with that, I'm just going to go back in with this first shade we used, Tots, and I'm going to go in with a small brush and dip into that, and we're going to go underneath the eyes. So for me, I can't really do anything with my brows. I just kind of let them do whatever they want. I know that's not very beauty guru of me, but sorry. So the next step is to set the face, and then we are going to highlight everywhere because that is the most essential part of this whole routine. To set my face, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. While that is still setting and damp on the face, we're going to take the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter, and I like to use this one over here. I've hit pan. I don't even know what shade that is. It's probably on the back, but I don't have time to look because we only have a limited amount of time before this stuff dries on my face. It's important to do this while the setting spray is still drying. That way it sticks to the setting spray and you get a much vibrant highlight, like right here. And because we want to look so glowy, we're going to literally highlight everywhere. We're going to highlight on the forehead right there where I just highlighted. Over here, we're going to highlight on the Cupid's bow. And then we are going to take a little tiny highlighter brush and we're going to dip into that. And we are going to highlight the inner corners of our eyes. So the next step in our routine is lashes. And I'm going to curl my lashes and then I am going to put on mascara. So I've curled my lashes and now I'm going to apply Benefit Roller Lash. Now I like this mascara especially for summer, more natural looks because it is buildable, but at the same time it curls your lashes and it looks more natural than a lot of other mascaras do in my opinion. Okay, so once we have finished with mascara, next we are going to do lips. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals. It came in like a little set thing, and okay, and it is in the shade Tease. It looks like that, you know. It's a shimmery shade, so yeah, I'm just gonna apply that. I kind of hate the shade I just put on, low-key. Okay, I'm going to go back in with this shade. It looks a little bit more natural. It's called Kitty, so we're going to do that. Yeah, I think that looks better. Okay, so that pretty much completes my everyday, summery, glowy, dewy look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and that lets me know you want to see more videos like this. Comment down below any fun video ideas you would like to see me do in the future, and I will probably do them. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to turn on my post notifications so you never miss a post. But that's pretty much it for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Hopefully.